If your shelf is filled with stories and memories captured on those shiny DVD discs, you need to bring them into the digital world by converting them into MP4 files. This process is often called ripping, and you need a ripper to do that. While simple tools work for home movies, professional films often have complex structures and protections that require a more capable hand. That is why you should use DVDFab DVD Ripper. It is a powerful tool designed to take what is on your disc and save it safely in a digital space. Today, we're going to walk you through how to convert your DVDs into MP4s with ease and get the original quality. Moving forward, the first step on this path is to get the software ready on your workstation. You can find the DVDFab DVD Ripper as a free download for both Windows and Mac systems. Once you have installed it, go ahead and launch the application. You will see a clean interface with several options at the top, but for ripping, you select the module labeled Ripper. This tells the software exactly what we intend to do. Now, take your physical DVD and place it into your computer's optical drive. One of the best things about this specific tool is how it immediately senses the disc. It automatically begins to load the content, and more importantly, it starts the work of decrypting any embedded copy protections that often prevent standard players from copying the data. If you happen to have your movie stored as an ISO image file or a folder on your hard drive instead of a physical disk, the process is just as easy. You can simply grab that file and drag it directly into the main window of the application. The software will recognize it instantly and prepare the titles for the next stage of the journey. Continuing from there, once your source is loaded, you will see a wealth of information about the movie on your screen, and this is where we decide how the final file will look and feel. DVDFab provides many different profile options to suit where you plan to watch your film. If you are moving these movies to a mobile phone or a small tablet, you might choose the MP4 mobile profile. This uses the H.264 video codec and AAC audio, which are very common and work on almost everything. However, if you are someone who values the highest possible quality for a home theater setup, you might look towards something like MKV pass-through. This keeps the quality exactly as it is on the disc, without losing any detail, though the files will be much larger. Usually, the software applies a standard profile automatically that works for most people, but you can always explore more by clicking on the option to choose another profile. If you have a specific device like an iPad or a newer Android phone, you can even click the device category to find a profile tailored exactly for that hardware. While we are looking at the main interface, you have the power to choose if you want to rip the entire DVD or just specific titles or chapters. You can also pick which audio tracks you want to keep. Perhaps you want the director's commentary or a specific language, and you can extract subtitles into a separate SRT format if you prefer. If you are curious about what kind of protection was on the disc, clicking the Info button will reveal those hidden details. For those who want more control, the Advanced Settings button opens up a world of customization for video and audio parameters. Under the encoding method, you can choose to prioritize how fast the computer works or how high the quality will be. In the video quality section, you can choose between fast speed and standard modes for everyday viewing, or high quality if you want to sharpen the details for a large screen. The codecs are the language the video speaks, and while H.264 is the standard, H.265 or HEVC offers much better compression. You should also consider the frame rate. A standard DVD usually runs at 29.97 frames per second for NTSC video, and keeping this standard ensures the motion looks natural. If the movie needs a little cleaning up, you can click Video Edit or Trim to crop out black bars, add a watermark, or even adjust the playback speed to your liking. Finally, we look toward the bottom of the screen to finish our preparations. You will see a small folder icon. Click this to tell the software exactly where on your computer you want the new MP4 file to live once it is created. Once you have picked that spot, the path ahead is clear. We press the large Start button. The software begins its quiet work, and a progress bar will show you exactly how far along it is on its journey. It's a peaceful process, and when it's finished, your new digital file will be waiting in the folder you chose, safe, sound, and ready for you to watch whenever the mood strikes you. Ultimately, converting your collection with DVDFab DVD Ripper is the most reliable way to protect your media for the future. It handles the difficult decryption work so you don't have to, providing a bridge between your old discs and your modern devices. If you are ready to secure your memories and enjoy your movies without the clutter of plastic cases, download the software today and begin your first conversion.